Take a minute to learn about hiding grades in Schoology student grade reports. For TK to 8, grading periods in Schoology are set up for the year with sub-periods for fall and spring semesters. For high school, the sub-periods are quarters and semesters. Schoology averages the grades of all sub-periods and displays this as an overall grade. At the classical academies, quarter grades and semester grades are standalone grading periods. They are not averaged together for an overall grade. Teachers must make a small adjustment on the grade setup page in their courses to ensure that students can view accurate grades. Open the grade setup page of your Schoology course. Near the bottom of the page in the visibility settings area, check the first box to hide the overall grade in the student grade report. The overall grade is still viewable in the teacher gradebook, just not in the student grade report. This is an actual student grade report in Schoology. You can see the student's fall grade here and her spring grade here. The teacher has hidden the overall grade, which would appear somewhere at the top here. If that grade were visible, it would be an average of this grade and this grade. Because there are 2 sub-periods in this year, Schoology has assigned each sub-period 50%. By hiding the overall grade, the student only sees the grade for each semester, not the overall grade for the year.